Ian made landfall in Florida Wednesday, becoming one of the strongest hurricanes to make landfall in the U.S. Ian made landfall as a Category 4 hurricane, bringing 150-mile-per-hour winds. Storm surge records were broken for Fort Myers and Naples.
The amount of water that's been rising and will likely continue to rise today, even as the storm is passing, is basically a 500-year flood event.
The two-day rainfall totals for Orlando International Airport have already been broken at 12.94 inches. More than 2.3 million Floridians were without power early Thursday. Hurricane Ian is expected to make landfall in South Carolina.
With that said, this is a screenshot of some of the post offices closed in the state of South Carolina due to the Hurricane Ian. And this here article is from 4 days ago, because that's when the hurricane, during that week, if I'm not mistaken, actually started to transpire. Also,
I was stashing in Idaho, and now I'm here in LA making.
Okay, folks, here's another screenshot on behalf of when the storm was supposed to had hit primarily the state of Florida, because as you see in the headline, it's saying USPS suspends service as storm reaches Florida. Which cities are affected? So, with that being said, excuse me, because this is being recorded from my phone, it's saying that the move means more than 200 post offices will be closed, and these are in full detail all the postal offices that had to be closed on behalf of the severe storm. Once again, Hurricane Ian. All of these, once again, are in the state of Florida. And I'm assuming the majority of them are not only principal cities, but suburbs and surrounding cities as well. And as you see on the screen, it's saying also the Postal Service appreciates its customers and their understanding as we temporarily adjust operations due to inclement weather. USPS said in an email news release Tuesday night, we will continue to monitor tropical weather conditions and will restore service. I'm assuming they meant will, W-I-L-L, instead of W-E-L-L, when it is safe to do so. Okay, in summary and both conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, my heart really goes out to all of the families of the victims that didn't get the chance to survive the storm, the severe storm, which did a whole lot of damage, and specifically certain parts of, and as you already overheard, according to the articles I just read to you and provided to you, both the state of South Carolina and the state of Florida. Because of that, my condolences, my deepest and sincerest condolences go out to the families of the victims who passed away during that storm in both the state of South Carolina, as well as the state of Florida, because once again, Florida was one of the main targeted states that the storm happened to hit. Hurricane Ian or Ian, however you say it. So I'm going to end this video. By the way, feel free to like the video, share both the video and the channel, so my channel could be able to gain more traffic and exposure. CapT, this is on my main and very first YouTube channel, because I also have two other channels. One on being CapT Social Network, as well as CapT Fashion, which is my most newest channel, CapT Fashion. Last but not least, make sure you click the all button to be able to be notified of all upcoming notifications of more upcoming and future videos, because I will have more future content in the near future. I mean, I know I didn't post a whole lot of content on this channel during the whole month of September, but I plan on making up for that, because I have a primary job that I work, and for the most part I sleep during the day. Therefore, that's one of the reasons why I haven't been making videos as often as I used to on this channel. Anyway, and I digress. Be blessed and have a safe day.